everyone. Today I'm going to be making Best Damn Air Fryer Pork Tenderloin. Now I didn't name that. That's just the name from the recipe that I found. What all goes into the Best Damn Air Fryer Pork Tenderloin? 1.25 to 1.75 pounds of pork tenderloin, 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, 1.5 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon ground mustard, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, and this is optional, 1/2 tablespoon olive oil. So let's begin. Alright, so I have my pork tenderloin. It is actually 2 pounds, 2 ounces, so it is more than what the recipe calls for. But the main thing is you want to make sure that it fits in your air fryer basket or shelf. Mine will not. So I'm going to just cut off about that much. So I ended up having to cut off 2 pieces. You can save them for a different recipe, or you can cook in 2 batches. I will just save mine for a different recipe, being as it's just Dave and I. Then you want to trim the excess fat or the silver lining off of it. I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back. And take a bowl and dump all the dry ingredients in the bowl. 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground mustard, 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper if you use it. And mix that all up. Preheat your air fryer to 400 for 5 minutes. Take your pork tenderloin and rub the 2 tablespoons of oil all over it on all sides. Oh, that's great. So then take your dry seasonings and rub it completely all over the pork tenderloin until it's fully covered. Even on the ends. After it's preheated, put in your silicone liner and carefully put in your tenderloin. Cook at 400 for 22 minutes. Check at 20 minutes if it's a smaller one. It needs to hit an internal temperature of 145 to 160 degrees. All right, so it's been 22 minutes. We'll stick an instant read thermometer in there. Needs to read 145 to 160. And there you have it. It's at 155. Carefully take it out of the basket, put it on a cutting board, and let it rest for 5 minutes before you slice and serve. So here is the Best Damn Air Fryer Pork Tenderloin. Rounding out the meal is a kosher dill spear and seasoned Italian green beans. Let's see what Dave thinks.
What am I testing?
The meat.
What am I tasting?
Best Damn Air Fryer Pork Tenderloin.
Smells good. Well, it's seasoned really well.
That's why it's called the Best Damn Air Fryer Pork Tenderloin.
Oh, I think they were right. Yep.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.